Welcome back to RotoCityTech. I'm Hank. We are out in the shop. We are going to continue assembling the Teardrop camper. We left off right here where everything was assembled, and now we gotta make the roof frame. I don't think we're going to be able to put the roof panels on quite yet. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to support Hike Outdoors. Go to their website. I'll link it down in the description below, hikeoutdoors.com. You can pick yourself up a kit just like this, or you can buy campers that are already made, and they can help you designing anything specific that you want. They've got a bunch of extras they can do. So be sure to go give them some love on social media as well as my sponsors, Lithium Battery Power, Rec Pro. Those are the two main ones that have been helping out a lot. And then High Camp Flask is another one that's been helping out with sending us a couple of flasks that we can make a custom install storage in the back galley. And I've been working on that in the background a little bit. Anyways, let's cut to assembling that frame, and we'll get rocking. So first things first is we gather up all our parts and we say hello to Wally. But it comes with 3 of these curved pieces that are essentially going to be like that, I believe. And we just got to frame it out with these cross beams here. So I'm going to look at the instructions a little bit and we'll get rolling. Hey, Wally, come here. Alright, so I got those little frames built. I'm gonna hold my judgment until the end because obviously, like I've mentioned before, mine were not pre-drilled, so I had to do a little just decision making. I believe this is about the only way you could drill these. So I pre-drilled and countersunk these, but you can't go too tight because you start cracking this wood. So I did glue it, and this isn't something that's gonna be super important to be like really, really strong, because once I get it in the cabin and I screw it to the cabin, then that's where you're gonna get your strength. So I think this is just really giving you that shell. So I'm gonna go ahead and start continuing. We've got this big old interior piece that we're gonna lay in there, and then start laying this frame in there so we can start doing the exterior, or it will allow us to do the exterior. Okay, so not to bore anybody, I got this side done. You saw me with the clamps and stuff because things weren't quite sitting just right. That's to be had with wood. I mean, it could have warped a little bit sitting here in my shop. Who knows? But you can see here, I got everything flush with the edges here, using those clamps and then screwing it in. So all I have to do is, I'm not going to put it on film, but I'm going to come over here, kind of do that same process to get this side flush and get it screwed in. And then I'll come back on camera and do the top portion, as that should be sitting a little bit better once I get these set. Okay, we're making progress. I think I accidentally threw out a piece that I thought was maybe just there for support in the packaging. I don't quite know or remember. But I thought I remembered having a piece that would fit right here. There's one more square piece that goes across here. This is just something I had laying around the shop. But I can't find it. So, I don't know. We're going to have to call it a night tonight, but you know, we're getting there. There's kind of the interior shot. That was a bit of a struggle. Things didn't quite want to fit right, but that is just woodworking in general. So we come inside here. There's Wally. It's a bit of an echo, but you know, here we are. We're inside the Teardrop. We've kind of got an interior roof here. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, I don't know if this is going to end the video or not. I might throw some more clips. But if I do end it, please follow us on Instagram at RotoCityTech, Facebook RotoCityTech, and here on YouTube at RotoCityTech. And please like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell. So continue to support our sponsors and continue watching these videos. We need to get our views up, and we're doing better than we normally do during the off season. So thank y'all so much for the support, and I couldn't do it without y'all. Y'all take it easy.